Section 2, Clause 66 states that transport vehicle means a public service vehicle, a good carriage, an educational institution, bus, or a private service vehicle stop. Section 66 stipulates necessity for permits stop. Subsection within bracket 1 thereof provides that no owner of a motor vehicle shall use or permit the use of the vehicle as a transport vehicle in any public place whether or not such vehicle is actually carrying any passengers or goods, save in accordance with the conditions of a permit granted or countersigned by a regional or state transport authority or any prescribed authority. Stop. Various provisos have been appended to the main provision stipulating conditions for use of the vehicle and purpose of carriage of goods vehicle. Stop. Subsection within bracket 2 states that the holder of a goods carriage permit may use the vehicle for the drawing of any trailer or semi-trailer not owned by him subject to such conditions as may be prescribed. Stop. It is necessary to mention here that a proviso has been added by Act 54 of 1994 with effect from 14/11/1994, allowing the holder of a permit of any articulated vehicle to use the prime mover of that articulated vehicle for any other semi-trailer stop. Section 2 Clause 2 defines articulated vehicle to mean a motor vehicle to which a semi-trailer is attached. Stop para. In the case at hand, the findings would show that the appellant number 2 did not have a permit for the vehicle stop. There is no dispute that the vehicle initially had a temporary registration and eventually the permanent registration stop. It is the stand of the appellants that the tribunal and the High Court did not appreciate that the chassis of the vehicle was sent to the body where the body of the truck was fabricated and when the vehicle was driven out of the workshop, at which point of time it met with an accident. Stop. A contention has been made that the insurance policy was in force at the relevant time and hence the insurer is legally obliged to indemnify the insured. Stop. A distinction has to be made between route permit and permit in the context of Section 149 of the Act. Stop. Section 149 Clause 2 provides the grounds that can be taken as defense by the insurer. Stop. It enables the insurer to defend on the ground of breach of a specific condition. Stop.